Hi, nice to see you, everyone. My name is NARA. Today I am going to teach you about earn and sum. So what does this mean? If you want to make sure what does this mean, let's see together in our column. Example, can I have a, I will note for you. Just a minute. Yes. Can I have a sandwich? Here, I usually have an egg for breakfast. There are some egg there are some egg in the fridge. We have got some bread. So this one a earn plus singular countable noun. Example, a sandwich. This one some plus plural countable nouns. Example, some egg. This one some plus uncountable noun. Some bread. Yeah. So see here the picture of three people. This man is say, "Can I have a sandwich?" Yes, yes. Can I have a sandwich? So now we are going to practice our exercise. Practice 36. Complete the sentence using a earn or sham. Example number one. I would like some soup. I would like some soup, please. Number two. Is there a bank near here? Is there a bank near here? Number three, they drank some meals and then went to bed. Some meal and then went to bed. Four, would you like an apples? Five, there is some rice in the cupboard. Number six, did you get a bottle of lemonade? Number seven, here is some money to buy your lunch. Current starting a new job next week. There is some butter in the fridge. I usually have a cup of tea in the morning. So this is the answer of our practice exercise that I write down in the red color. The answer for the question to complete this sentence using earn or some. So what is the most important in this whole lesson? You have to see these 3 points carefully, and you have to understand about these explanations if you want to make sure what this lesson meant to be. Yes, earn some. Yeah, earn plus singular countable noun. Example: a sandwich. Some plus plural countable noun. Some age. Some plus uncountable noun. Some bread. This is how it used with countable noun, plural countable noun, and uncountable noun. Thank you so much for joining with me today to study about earn and sum, and I hope that you will be understand this lesson. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and like. Thank you very much.